version before I hit the record button. It was so much better. Who gives a shit, right? As long as you're having fun. All right, so in this tutorial, we are going to explore a really fun way to expand your guitar playing by doing a simple climb from low to high. Okay, let's get into it. So I'll tell you what the chords are, but basically I want you to try this technique because that's how you break the anxiety or de-escalate. You got to replace it with something and go as slow as you need to and loop it. Every time you loop the series of chords, try to apply this concept right here. If I'm, let's just say, using the F sharp minor chord, see that space in between where my middle finger disappeared? Cross that space, pretend it's like a gap, and you have to cross it with your index finger. I just crossed it. And then recreate that shape, but pick those notes like this. Watch. This is more about using the guitar for wellness. Check out my other videos. That's my whole message. Is I suffered from anxiety, PTSD, trauma for what seemed like forever, and now I don't. So, and the guitar is a big part of my daily routine in order to maintain the serenity that I sometimes experience.